Ready to turn your Amex membership rewards into first-class flights and luxury hotel stays? If transferring points to airline partners seems complex, you're not alone. Today, we're transferring Amex points to partners for maximum travel value. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Transferring points to airline and hotel partners is often the best way to get outsized value from your membership rewards, sometimes worth 2 cents or more per point. Step 1. Navigate to the Transfer Center. Log into your Amex account and go to the Membership Rewards section. Find Transfer Points or Transfer to Travel Partners. You'll see a list of all available airline and hotel partners. Step 2. Select your partner and transfer. Choose the airline you want to transfer to, like Delta, British Airways, or Air Canada. Enter your frequent flyer number and the number of points you wish to transfer. Most transfers are instant or happen within 24 hours. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: check for transfer bonuses before you send points. Amex frequently runs transfer bonuses, where you get a 20 to 40% bonus when transferring to specific partners, e.g., transfer 1,000 points and get 1,300 points in your airline account. Always check for these promotions; they dramatically increase the value of your points. So, just like that, you're ready to book premium travel for a fraction of the cost. Strategic point transfers go a long way in making dream vacations a reality. Now I'm curious, which Amex transfer partner is your favorite for booking incredible value? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.